Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. And today I'm going to show you formula upper. This function converts all character in a piece of text to uppercase. Going to repeat, very simple, very unique, but very interesting formula. This function converts all characters in a piece of text to uppercase. Formula details, you just need to mention upper, upper, then bracket start, select your text, bracket close, enter, and all the characters in that piece of text converted will be converted as a upper case. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed, and this formula works in every single version of Excel. Complete video details also available in description box. So if you want to create your own Excel database Excel file, so please copy and paste, but for that you have to subscribe this channel. We have a separate videos in which we explain every single formula with use of a different kind of examples, different kind of methods. So please check those video as well. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you so much for your support. Practice to make a man perfect, so at least try this formula in your Excel version at least 1 or 2 times. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. If you have any feedback, please mention the same in comments box, and we'll try to improve ourselves for you guys. Have a great day, have a great future ahead. Thanks a lot.